Hey, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to tell you everything you need to know about the 2021 Ford Mustang. Let's be honest, 2020 has not been a fun year for any of us, so we're looking forward to 2021. Everyone's been super excited about the upcoming model year with the Mustang, specifically the Mach 1 and a bunch of other changes that Ford's been implementing with the upcoming model year Mustang. So let's dive in. Starting from the top, the most important thing, the engine. And to be honest, for the 2021 model year, there really aren't that many changes. The GT350, unfortunately, rest in peace, 5.2 liter flat plate crank will be saying goodbye for the 21 model year, and the Bullet will be making an exit as well, unfortunately. But the 480 horsepower heart out of the Bullet will be transplanted into the Mach 1. And speaking of the Mach 1 on the engine and drivetrain topic, the Tremec TR3160 will be the standard manual transmission in the Mach 1, which we're super excited about because it's from the GT350. That 3160 has a really positive engagement. It's a direct mount, unlike the remote mount on the MT82. Really has a great overall feel, whether you're on the street or on the track. And moving on to one of the most customizable things for any Mustang enthusiast, the wheels. Ford already includes a ton of different wheel options from the factory, from EcoBoost all the way to GT500, and for 2021, they're adding even more. First off, for anyone that's going to be opting for a black accent package car in 2021, there's going to be a new wheel option for you. We really don't know what it looks like yet, since we haven't seen any photos of it, but we're excited to see what Ford comes up with. It'll be a 19 by 8.5 square fitment, which is the same as the outgoing black accent package wheels. Now moving on to the fun stuff, the Mach 1 wheels. The Mach 1's gonna come with 3 different wheel options. You're gonna have your base wheel, which is a 19 by 9.5 in the front and a 19 by 10 in the rear, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Then the optional wheel, which has the same fitment, 9.5 in the front, 10-inch in the rear, and for the package that everyone wants, the Mach 1 handling package. Those wheels will be a 19 by 10.5 in the front and a 19 by 11 in the rear, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. And for those of you that may be chomping at the bit for a Mach 1 handling package, there's actually a reason why that the handling package cars haven't been included in the initial order guide for Job 1 coming up in January. We've been following the story in Ford Authority and Road and Track, and believe it or not, Ford actually doesn't produce any cars that have the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on from the factory during the winter months due to such cold winters in Michigan. For many of you that may have summer tires installed from the factory at Ford or aftermarket, it's advised that you don't use those tires below 45 degrees outside. And that's because these things become hockey pucks. Road and Track actually dove deeper into the topic, saying that Ford reported that they couldn't even get the cars on the dyno, they couldn't get them up the ramps, because these tires were so hard in those cold Michigan temperatures that they couldn't even perform the safety measures that they do before these cars roll off the assembly lines and hit dealership floors. If you want to read the full article, check out the link in the description. But moving on to another fun topic, colors. For the 2021 model year, Ford got rid of 4 colors: Dark Highland Green, Grabber Lime, Magnetic, and a personal favorite of mine, Kona Blue. Let's move on to the new colors, starting with Antimatter Blue. Thanks to Mike Levine over at Ford for posting this up on Instagram, we got to see a pre-production F-150 painted in the Antimatter Blue color. Has a really deep look to it, and we're excited to see what it looks like on the 2021 Mustang. Next up is Carbonized Gray. This looks to be replacing Magnetic, and it has a little bit less of a metallic finish, but it has that like polished steel, really aggressive looking finish that we've already seen on the Mach-E. So we're excited to see again what it looks like on the 2021 Mustang once they start hitting the streets. Then we have Fighter Jet Gray, which we're all too familiar with. It's been all over social media, all over the car news outlets, as it's been the flagship color for the Mach 1 since it debuted back in June. Last but not least, we have Grabber Yellow. This hasn't been seen on any Mustang since 1971, and we're excited to see it make a comeback, especially as an exclusive on the Mach 1. And moving on to packages, one thing that Ford's kind of been quiet about is that they got rid of the Performance Package Level 2. My best guess is that Ford kind of put all their eggs in the Mach 1 basket. They got rid of the Performance Package Level 2, they got rid of the GT350, and they got rid of the Bullet for the 21 model year. The Mach 1's an awesome package altogether and should fill that void really well. A few more exciting changes regarding Ford CoPilot 360. You're gonna get auto high beam, bliss, lane keeping system, pre-collision assist, and rain sensing wipers all standard on the Mustang starting in 2021. Moving forward for those EcoBoost fans, the mirror covers and spoiler on the 2.3 liter high performance package cars will be switched over to carbonized gray. As we mentioned earlier, the black accent package cars will receive new wheels and black mirror covers as well. And for the GT Performance package cars, the strut tower brace under the hood used to be silver, but will now be black, which is similar to the Ford Performance offering that's on our website. With the addition of the Mach 1 for the 2021 model year, there are also a couple new packages for that as well. On the Mach 1 appearance package, it only comes in that fighter jet gray color with orange accents across the board. That goes for the interior, the black and orange decals on the outside, and orange Brembo calipers as well. Now you can get this package either with the standard Mach 1 or the handling package. Personally, I'm a little bummed about the appearance package because I'm a huge fan of fighter jet gray, but the fact you can only get it with the orange accents kind of negates the uniqueness of it. It's an awesome color combination, but for anyone else that gets a fighter jet gray Mach 1, they're gonna have the same decal combination as you do. Last but not least, for those audiophiles like myself, the Mach 1 Elite package will get you the 12-speaker B&O sound system with the subwoofer in the trunk and the enhanced security package. Leave a comment below, let us know how you would spec your 2021 Mustang, and when you do take delivery of your new Mustang and you're ready for some go-fast parts, remember to hit us up at Steeda.com. Well, that about wraps things up for the 2021 Mustang. We're really excited for this car to hit the streets. Whether it's the F-150 or the Mach-E or the S650, you name it, we'll keep you up to speed here at Steeda, so hit that subscribe button and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.